Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Yahoo account and heading straight to Account Info, then Account Security. Once there, make sure you can receive a verification code on an alternative contact. This prevents lockout when removing a phone. You'll see linked phone numbers listed. Select the one you want to remove. Make sure to pause if you're prompted for two-step verification setup. Keep a backup contact ready. This first action reduces risk and gets you into the exact settings panel where removal happens. Once you're in the contact list, tap the phone entry and choose Remove or Edit depending on the option shown. If Yahoo asks for identity confirmation, enter the verification code sent to your backup email or device. This step prevents unauthorized changes. If the account insists on at least one recovery method, replace the phone with an alternate email or another number before deleting. Take your time and read each prompt. This middle step ensures you don't accidentally lose account recovery options. After you confirm removal, sign out and sign back in to confirm the phone is gone from your recovery options. If the change doesn't stick, try clearing your browser cache or repeat the steps in a private window. Sometimes cached data prevents updates. If you get blocked by verification loops, use your backup email to contact Yahoo support and explain you removed a phone number for security. Make sure to keep at least one recovery method active to avoid future account access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.